Masaya jud ko. Hi guys. Hi guys, this is Mary Van Russell and welcome to my YouTube channel. Cringe yucks. So for today's video, I'm planning to make a vlog. This is the first time I'm gonna be speaking sa akong video because most of my videos are just video compilations. Kaya ma-shy jud ko nga magsulti-sulti kaya mura mag-cringe. Ay, mura mag-jud kaya nga magsulti-sulti. But
you're goddamn right.
Today, I'll try to do a vlog nga na voice. So, I hope inyong i-appreciate ko. I hope nga makakasabot ra mo sa akong ipang shorte. Yate. So, today's video, today's vlog, we're going to my friend's beach house. I don't know if beach house ba na, kaya doon man sa beach house. So yeah, we're going there together with my college homies, Annabelle, Mildred, and Jessa. Once in a blue moon na dyan nga magkuan guys, magbonding. So that's why I plan to make a video. Kay I don't know when pa ni siya masundan. So may nang naatay ma-reminisce, naatay ma-watch in the future. I really like to preserve memories. Preserve. So ito, I'm already ready and I'm gonna go to Annavi's para kwaon siya. And then first, we're gonna go to among school to rate something. Then after that, mga ito na misala ka Jessa. I'm so excited. So, see you there.
Sitin
sa video.
Mata na eh.
Gano'n ka ako magsulti-sulti mo. Ako kay Bonsi ako isulti.
So, mata na eh.
See you there.
What about the beach? Beach. May birthday na ba tayo ni Mix?
Dito?
Mga ito na mi guys. So, see you there. See you there, kapamilya.
So, ang mga video na ako sa YouTube, puro mo ka na anak. No? We're in Santiago Beach, but I think we're lost.
Kaya mo naman tayo chat-chat happy.
So now, kay ba na may asa ng padong?
Manila?
Ha?
Kaning payag beach house.
Masin ka na.
Oo, payag. Ito yung kontra.
See there?
Gamit tayo mag-Google.
Nagamit yung Google Maps para di masyaan.
Hindi po kita. Sige na.
Excited. I think we know na, but we don't know yet. Wala. I think naabot na sa mga destination. Or ba ano dyan eh. Uy, magkuhan tatanong, mag-English tatanong.
Sige, go.
So we're here. And our destination, I think.
We're here.
We're here. Nasay. Since wala pa sila lalabs kanang naka-decide mi nga mga sa mission. No, day. Laisyohan ninyo no, i-update mo na mo umunta tayo level. So we're gonna go get lunch. Ambutan siya mo i-lunch guys, basta ka nang makaon.
What?
So see you there. Yay. Anywhere, everywhere. Oof, sexy. So karon mangita ang spot asa ni mga ako. Sure, mag-vlog na lang ni.
Ito, ganahan ng ko, pero di na mo tagon siya pa isulti.
Ano siya ang food? So I just finished ordering. Masaya man yung magsulti-sulti sa ato lang yung gawaw. Yes. Waiting. Papaya sila sir. Oh, nana siya. So we're finally done eating lunch. Char! So mabalik na nga to sa beach house ni lalabs. See you there. Ayan. We're gonna cook in here. So karon guys, mga ano guys? It's almost night. It's almost night. You can see there's no sea. There's no sea in the sea. I mean, there's a little sea.
You're goddamn right.
But there's no sea anymore.
No more sea. Just a little, not more. So now guys, she is struggling to get down here.
Oh, bakay gunita makanamo.
Please.
Hala kasi mo live. So siya guys, di siya kanao. Kay mahadlok siya. So we're gonna walk on our own. Our own way. ato ni i-vlog because we don't know when will this kind of scenario will happen again.
Okay.
Scenario.
Hindi siya labs. You can use the bathroom? Yes. Because I think it's more water. Try, huh? Yeah. No.
We're here. This is our bed. Yeah, this is our bed. Guya, uy, gugo. We're gonna unbox.
Somewhere deep down in my heart.
What I got. Okay, so first, I have this green. I see. I got this from UK brand. Okay. For only. So this is the 20 pesos top I bought from UK. I want to be going on a vacation. True. Depende sa lighting. Depende sa person. So now guys, we are eating dinner because wala may budget. Wala na siya dinner. So hey guys, it's already 10 p.m. and we're getting ready to sleep. Say hi. Uy. Yes. Hi.
Okay.
Now we're gonna sleep. We're trying to go on the aircon because it's so too now. We're gonna sleep now. See you tomorrow. Good night, guys. Good night, everyone. Good morning, everyone. It's already 7. What?
7.
It's 7 and we just woke up. We're so tired.
Yeah.
We're gonna have breakfast and we're gonna go walking sa sea. So this is the look. This is the look. This is our outfit. So nice, mura man ko ganagan, puno og lawas. Okay, okay. Hindi. Kaya ba labs, no? I know, true. Tama. Oh, ito lang sa kamay, ito lang. So we're gonna go to take pictures. What na mi guys? Wait daw.
ba?
I wash. Hey, don't. Is this it? Is it over there?
Share mo, in na ka.
So,
Ko, pero po yan. Indot lang. Hindi man yun na palit. So, mahal man eh, pero hindi man ako nagpalit ani lang.
So we're taking a TikTok video, and my husband is right there. Guys, this is finally the end. This is the end of our vlog. We enjoyed so much.
Yes.
It was fun. It was very fun. And then we're gonna go home now. So thank you so much, lalabs, for having us in your beach resort. Oh, resort. Till next time. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Sagoy.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.